note that we do not guarantee employment to the candidates. Though utmost care has been taken in providing correct information, eligible candidates are, however, advised to go through the official notification before submitting applications.
भरोसाको जीवन
शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई
र सचेतहरूलाई
कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान, कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान।
Supported by
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Bank of India, Ongben Road, Kalimpong, with all kinds of modern banking facilities. ISET, short-term and long-term computer courses with nominal fee and concession to ST, SC, OBC and BPL candidates. Shahid Dal Bahadur Giri Road, Kalimpong. Yelung Diagnostics and Polyclinic, Dombachok, Kalimpong. Remember us for pathology tests, X-ray, scanning and other medical assistances. DP Upasak and Sons, Dombachok, Kalimpong. Textbooks, copies, magazines and newspapers supplying since more than 60 years. Calcutta Store, an exclusive showroom of cosmetic, jewelry, gold-plated jewelry, DS Gurung Road, Kalimpong. JJ Prints, Rishi Road, Kalimpong. Visit us for any type of quality printing job at reasonable rates with timely delivery facility. Charitra Prakashan, Hanadara, Kalimpong. We deal with printing, publication, distribution and circulation of Nepali books. We also provide assistance to unemployed youth for online submission of forms, coaching, counseling and overall free SMS about latest vacancies. Call us at 035552 255599 or 9475591475. Add us in Facebook also.
Namaskar. Welcome to this episode of Employment Information on KTV. First, the highlights of this episode.
Vacancies in Forest Department for Higher Secondary Past candidates. Darjeeling District Central Corporate Bank requires Nepali knowing graduates having computer knowledge.
Now, the information in details. Forest Department, Government of West Bengal has sought applications from HS Pass candidates to recruit Deputy Ranger, Forester. The details.
Organizer, West Bengal Staff Selection Commission. Name of exam, Deputy Ranger or Forester recruitment. Name of post, Deputy Ranger or Forester. Department, Forest Department. Salary, Rs 5,400 to 25,200. Grade P Rs 2,900. Qualification, Higher Secondary. Age 20 to 32. Relaxation as per rules to the candidates of West Bengal only. Selection procedure, written exam, physical efficiency test and interview. Examination fee, Rs 220, Rs 20 for SC or ST. Mode of application, online. Closing date, 4th December 2015. Official website, www.wbssc.gov.in.
Last date of filling up online form for Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank is 27th November. Graduates having Nepali in Madhyamik as a subject and computer skill may apply. The details.
Organizer, West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission. Name of post, Grade 3, clerical or supervisor. Number of posts 8. Salary rupees 24,263 approximately. Qualification graduate in any discipline with Nepali as a subject in Madhyamik. Basic computer course. Age 18 to 40 years, 45 for SC, ST, OBC. Fee rupees 160 for general and OBC and rupees 20 for SC, ST. Mode of application online. Closing date 27th November 2015. Official website www.webcsc.org.
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Our bank runs under West Bengal Cooperative Societies Act 2006 and Rule 2011. Our services:
Loans in agricultural sector through primary agricultural cooperative societies.
loans in non-agricultural sector through Employees Credit Cooperative Societies.
Easy consumption, short-term loan facilities to salary earners.
Loans under diversified finance schemes and microfinance.
Higher rate of interest in various deposit schemes than other banks.
Disbursements of salary to higher secondary and primary school teachers.
Transfer of fund through NEFT and RTGS.
Deposit cover under DICGC.
Core banking solution CBS in all branches with IFSC code and MICR code.
DVTL LPG subsidy.
Introduction of ATM facilities under process.
We run 9 branches in Kalimpong, Pedung, Gurvathan, Darjeeling, Korseng, Sukepokhari, Bijanbari, Rimbik and Mirik.
Our new branches are opening shortly in Jolung and Mangpu.
Bank of India provides benefit to central and state government salary account holders. Benefit are minimum balance not required, free accidental death insurance of rupees 10 lakh, debit card to withdraw cash up to rupees 50,000 and POS up to rupees 1 lakh, free 100 check leaves every year, free missed call alert for balance inquiry, personal loan, vehicle loan, housing loan at very affordable rates of interest. Visit our branch at Bank of India, Ongden Road, Kalimpong.
Candidates who have applied for HS level exam of clerks and data entry operators in central government may download their admit cards from respective websites. They may also visit Charitra Prakashan for any assistance. Pre-examination training is being imparted to SC/ST candidates who have already applied for the post of clerks in different banks. Training commences from 16th November to 21st November and it is free of cost. Please call us for any assistance. This is informed to the concerned person that office of Charitra Prakashan shall remain closed from 11th November to 15th November on the occasion of Tihar festival. We wish you all a happy Diwali. This much for today's episode of Employment Information. For further details, candidates are requested to visit our office, Charitra Prakashan, Thanadara, Kalimpong, or call us at 94755 91475. We are also available on YouTube and Facebook. We welcome creative suggestion from our viewers to make this program more useful. Goodbye till our next episode.
भरोसाको जीवन शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई
र सचेतहरूलाई
कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान, जही नै त्यही छ रोजगारको मुहान।